Welcome back to True Ball Python's YouTube channel. Today we're going over our latest clutch. So the pairing was a male Spotnose Albino to a first-time mom Pastel Candino. So unfortunately these guys, I won't know what their exact genetics are, because with the Candino and Albino, half of the clutch theoretically should be Candino, the other half should be Albino. So we won't necessarily know right now what they are until they start to color up. So they're going to need a couple more sheds. And then on the Candinos, you'll start seeing the lavenders come in. And then the Albinos will pretty much stay white. Yeah, that looks like the camera's not really capturing their colors very well. But these guys are absolutely stunning. So first time mom, she laid 5 eggs. We are downstairs. We're in our what's going to be our new snake room, and the rats are next door, and you can hear the rats squealing right now. But at any rate, the mom was a first time mom, and so she gave us 5 eggs, and all 5 eggs went to term, and absolutely really nice babies. So let's start with this little one I have in my hand now. This one's a male. Get this little head stand still. So this little active guy is a male. Let's get the other one from back here. Do this one second. This one looks like it could be Spotnose, and I'm not 100% sure on the pastel. This one right here definitely looks pastel. So this one right here is female. Right here is a nice little female. And we have this third one here. Once again, really not really seeing the colors. Unfortunately, the camera's not showing the true colors. It's making it look like it's duller than what it is, but the colors are quite vibrant on these. So this one right here, let's see what this one is. So this one right here is another girl. This one I would say is Spotnose. Nice dorsal. The alien head has a nice stripe going down its dorsal. And then with the head stamp. Let's see what this little one is. Okay, this is a female. And the last one, and what seems to be one of only 2 chill ones in the entire clutch. This one's again, I would guess that this one is possibly Spotnose. Once they color up a little bit and the lavender start coming in, I'll be able to tell more. But this one definitely looks pastel. And let's see. Male. So this is a male. So what's going to happen is the animals that are going to prove out to be Candino, where you see the whites at on these, they're actually going to turn like a lavender color. And that could happen just 1 or 2 sheds in. with these guys. So half the clutch theoretically should be Candino, the other half should be Albino. What we would like to keep in the clutch, I personally I want a Candino male. So if I can hit a pastel spot nose Candino male, then that's what we're going to go with. And my wife wants to hold back one of the females. Comment down below, let me know what your takes on these different animals are. And I think once in a couple of weeks, hopefully get a few meals in them, then we'll be able to tell better what exactly they are. But we are starting to move the animals downstairs. The room isn't quite built yet, but we need to get out of the rooms upstairs. So that's just our cinnamon scaleless head. Nothing's in there. Super pastel clown in this one. This girl up here. That's our inchy clown. This is just a regular clown. Inchy pastel clown. That's Lesser Firefly girl. She's always ready to eat. She done pooped already. And then we have our bamboos, pastel bamboo. I'm hoping that one of these girls still lay this season. Another one right there. And scaleless head, female. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the albinos, the Spotnose, and the Candino if you worked with a project before. How long did it take you for you to start seeing the lavenders come in? And how subtle is it going to be? Is it going to be noticeable immediately, or is it just going to gradually change? But that's it for this week's video. This one's so chill. I want to keep it. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see you guys again next week.